Take a look at this 2023 Jeep Wrangler High Altitude 4xe in sting gray. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 9,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, battery charge indicator, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7066.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.